Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to the video. I'm just following up on a request today, as someone's requested that we use the Dolphin stamp and show a couple of techniques using that. So I'm just going to do that. So this is a Dolphin stamp here, and that should be available from the Etsy and Amazon store. Memento stamping ink, and then obviously encaustic materials. And this is the Dolphin I'm going to use. Apply ink to the Dolphin stamp. In this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist the Dolphin so the block is a bit like a diamond rather than a square. You'll see what I mean when I lift this. And then I'm just going to reapply a bit more ink, give it a bit more of a twist around. Not too worried that that's not quite stamped out perfect, it's absolutely fine for what we're doing. And then put one facing back downwards, about there. What I should have done, by the way, is taken the ink to my stamp and not the other way around. Just take a tissue and lay that over the top, and then we bring our encaustic iron in there and we just iron the images, and then they'll become part of the card. The heat just helps to dry them. If you're doing a lot of stamping, you don't want to dry them in this way. If you're doing like a batch of greetings cards or something, just lay them out individually so they're not stacked up, and you just leave them for a few hours and they'll dry naturally. It's absolutely fine to do either, whichever you want to do. This will just speed up the process of drying. Let's check that they're dry. They're now part of this card. And just to prove it, look. Just give them a really good rub with some tissue and they're going nowhere. Clear wax number 27. That's our next stage. So we want quite a bit of that popped onto the iron, and you'll just see it just sort of run. Go across your images. Don't worry if it drags any colour across that's come off your iron, don't worry about that. It'll all work in. We're making water, so we want whites, blues, pinks and greens. Just get some colours so you'll be able to see them. And we've got some white, some pink, tiny bit of lilac, the light blue, and a tiny bit of dark blue. Just a little bit of that popped onto the iron. Rest it down. And just slide across, giving you the basis of the picture. Okay, then what we're going to do is put a bit more blue on the iron and pop that across the bottom edge of my picture. A tiny bit of darker blue again, not quite gone dark enough for what I want. There we go, that's the sort of thing I want. And then tilt your iron right on its side and just sort of wave it around, pushing the wax, creating movement. Hope you've enjoyed that, something a little bit different for you to see, and please feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.